A great institution is always a result of a strong legacy, people, and future orientation. Thanks to my senior management team and all the wonderful colleagues, and they all like the idea. We should have a visitor learning center where we could capture and we could archive the kind of philosophy and the ideas that we have.
It gives us an opportunity to be aspirational and explore education in a very different context, especially in light of what technology enables today. So I very much look forward to ways in which NIE and NTU can interact in the future in ways in which we may not have had the opportunity to do in the past. And I want to congratulate all the colleagues here for what you do every day, and for the inspiration you provide to scores of teachers, not just in Singapore, but all across the globe.